everyone. It's 10:48 in the morning. I just finished doing my nails. They're really short and nubby because I cut them really short and nubby. I wanted to tell you guys about my favorite gel nail polishes that are really, really affordable, and they're from Amazon. So it's by the Beatles brand. I'll have them linked down below. So they come in this kind of box. Don't ask me why I still have this. I literally ordered this last year, but I've been keeping the box for some reason. So they come in like a box like this that, how does it open? It opens up like that, and the nail polishes come inside. They come in these little things. Well, some of them are missing because I have the top coat and the base coat in my drawer, but they're like little nail polishes. They're 5 milliliter bottles of nail polish, but honestly, if you're just doing your own nails, this is a lot of nail polish. It'll last you plenty of time, and I'm telling you guys, it glues onto your nails and it stays there and it's not going nowhere. This green is so pretty. Anyway, I am currently getting ready to go do a couple things. I need to run a couple errands. I need to get cat litter because I ran out and I need to add more to their boxes. Nugget needs more food, so while I get cat litter, normally I order this litter. I have the empty bag here. This is the cat litter that I have been buying, and I've been ordering it on Chewy, but I want to try a different one, and since I need to get cat food anyway, like, I figured I might as well just go and do it in person. I don't know. Is that logical? I don't know. And then I also want to get my hair cut because my hair needs a haircut. It is so gross looking in the back, so I want to go get my hair cut first. I got this Vaseline lip balm yesterday and I left it on my desk, and Fifi literally took it apart and she took a fat bite out of it. If you can you see that? That little dent is a Fifi bite. I'm wearing a kind of cute outfit today. I'm actually a fan. I'm trying to be warm and practical when it comes to like a haircut. So this is from Forever 21's men's section from like years ago. This is a paint stain on it, and it has like these like rips and stuff. I have a shirt underneath that's riding up naturally, but it's a long sleeve shirt because it's freezing outside. And then I'm wearing these jeans that I got from TJ Maxx, but they're Levi's, and they fit better than any other jean that I've ever worn in my entire life. They're like perfectly fitted, hug my back really well, and they're amazing. And they have little like rips in the bottoms. And then I'm wearing these Converse that I actually got on Poshmark, and they like almost match this, so I just like the way that that looks, and I just tuck this into my little mini pocket here, let it fall over so that it's kind of like that, and then it's a fit. And I'm probably gonna wear a jacket on top because it's freezing, and I'm not wearing a hat today because I'm getting my hair cut. And so yeah, I got my hair cut. Not 100% happy with it. He went a little high on this side right here, but whatever. I am going to be cutting my bangs today, so they will be shorter. I might even try doing something completely different. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. My barber's like okay, but like what in the world? This side is so much. I have to find a new barber, guys. He fucked up my hair last time and he did it again this time. So anyway, went to Petco, got Nugget some food, and I also got both cats litter, obviously. I'm trying out a new litter. I hope it's gonna be good. I don't even like, I want to go to Ulta, but like honestly I don't even want to go inside anywhere, so I think I'm gonna just go ahead and head home. I'm at the mall right now because I was planning to go into Ulta, but I honestly like just don't like my hair at all, and it's just like really frustrating. It's like, especially because I'm a hairdresser. I learned, I know, you know, all that stuff. It's just like, oh, come on. Like, what the heck? Like, I cut my dad's hair, like men's hair, and I never leave lines on people. So I'm just like really frustrated that, you know, that I have lines on my head. Nuggets, we've had quite the experience. So I almost got into a car accident because this stupid old lady was on her phone while pulling out of a parking spot. I went to the grocery store and realized that I forgot my wallet at home because I came back to change into a hoodie because my head was cold And when I changed, I forgot my wallet, so I got to ShopRite, realized I don't have my wallet, so I'm like, all right, let's pop this bitch in reverse. And I started reversing out of my parking spot. Obviously, like, checked first, no one was coming. There was a car behind me, like, in the, you know, if this is the spot, I was here, this lady was like over here, and her brake lights were on, but no reverse lights. My reverse lights were on, so I started slowly backing up like one does, checking around everywhere to make sure there's no cars coming, and I'm like pretty much out of the spot. I just need to back up a little bit more and then go straight. And this woman starts backing out of her spot, and like, I have a white car, okay? I have a white car. You can see white cars very easily, and it's like, what are you looking at? Like, do you not see me literally practically out of the entire spot? I honk. This bitch doesn't react at all. I honk again. I'm like, Rrr. No reaction. I go beep, 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 beep. Like, I'm laying on the horn, but making it go beep, 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 beep. No reaction. I had to pop my shit and drive as fast as I could and get back into my spot because this lady was like this close to hitting me. And she was on her phone. All my cats need to say hello to me. Nugget is right here. And Fifi just came to say hello too. Hello, Miss Peep. Anyway, I ended up going to ShopRite and I got some things, and I figured I would share them with you guys because why not, right? First thing I got, I haven't tasted this, but I have determined that the Bubbly brand is my favorite brand of sparkling water. I do like sparkling waters occasionally, so I got the cherry one to test out. I don't know if it's going to be good. I have a slight feeling that it might taste like medicine, but I'm hoping it's gonna be good. I got some Silk protein chocolate milk. I don't know, sounded good, so I got it. Impulse buy. Ugh, and then I got a big bag of stuff. So, I got my water bottle. I got Kamut puffs because, or puffed Kamut, and I don't know, I just started watching Linda Sun, and she eats these a lot, and I wanted to try them. And I also have the same yogurt that she has, the Forager cashew yogurt. It's my favorite yogurt as well, so I had to get these to like literally recreate what she eats all the time. I got some shredded iceberg lettuce because I want to make tacos. It just came to me while I was in the store, so I was like, let me get some shredded iceberg lettuce for my tacos because I don't want a whole thing of iceberg lettuce. So we have some shreds. Don't know really what I'm going to do with them. Probably mix them in with my salads as well. I got 4 cans of small white beans. I got some thick and chunky mild salsa. I wanted to get this for my tacos, so we got that. I got some wraps. These are like low carb wraps. So I got these. These are by the brand Tumaros. I got some Beyond Beef for my tacos. I don't eat red meat, so I was gonna get burgers, but I'm like, let me make some tacos instead, so I got the ground meat version. I got some smooth peanut butter because I ran out recently. I got my coffee creamer. This is the Silk Almond Creamer in Sweet and Creamy. They changed the packaging, but delicious. They are expensive at the store that I went to for some reason. And then lastly, I got a Old El Paso taco kit, and these are like mini tortilla bowls, and I thought that would be fun because they're like little bowls, you know? So that is what I got at the store today. Now I have to fit this all back in this bag. My mom is making chicken cutlets for dinner today, so I shall be eating my mother's cooking, which I'm really excited about. You'll be seeing me wearing my hood and my hat all the time until my my hair grows back, because it's actually worse than I thought. I took a mirror and I like really looked at everything, and it's it's not good. FIFA is sleeping in this spot. Nuggies has been in this spot, literally scrunched up next to these pillows all day when there's an entire couch sectional for him to lay on. I don't know why he wants to squish there. You want more room? We gave him some more room. But I'm gonna try one of these, and I thought I would do it on camera. We're gonna try this. It's not cold because, I mean, I guess it was in my car. The can feels not warm, so. It smells like Dr. Pepper, honestly. Gives me Dr. Pepper vibes. I'm a fan. I used to love Dr. Pepper back in my super unhealthy days. I like it. So we got here chicken cutlet mashed potatoes, lots of broccoli because I have not eaten well today. Well, I guess I have actually. I haven't eaten enough today, but whatever. Broccoli, and this is like a beet, like a shredded beet, horseradish kind of. I don't even know. It's Polish. I don't know what it's called in English, but in Polish it's called ćwikła. So I don't know what it is in English. I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. It's just like a beet slaw. I don't even know. But it's not even like a slaw. I don't even know. But it's really good. My eyebrows also look crazy good today. They're like always looking really good recently. And I'm like so proud that these are my eyebrows. They're real hair. Like they're actual hair, you know? Crazy. Hey guys, it is later now. I've had a bowl of yogurt with the Kamut puffs and they're actually kind of good. They taste like almost nothing, but they're like a satisfying crunch. So I had some yogurt, the Kamut puffs, blueberries, nut butter. It's like a nut butter blend. It has cashews, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds. Really good. I got it from BJ. It's like a mix of all those things. It's delicious. I've been watching LA's Finest on Netflix and I think it's such an interesting show. But now I just finished the last episode. I have a minute left of the last episode of season 1. Season 2 is not available to watch anywhere on any kind of like streaming service. And they canceled it for, there's no season 3. They canceled it. Whatever system or what system whatever, like whatever made it. And like it's funny because it's like literally number 7 in the Netflix top 10 and like people obviously love it, but it's canceled. So why did they even put it on Netflix? You know what I mean? Like why did they get everyone's hopes up just for it to be canceled? And like it was well aware that it was canceled last year because I googled about it. Anyway, since my stomach is not feeling the best, I'm gonna have some of my kombucha. This has caffeine in it, and I had no idea until I read the label yesterday, and I always drink kombucha at night. I don't know why it has caffeine in it, but I'm just gonna drink some of it. I cried about my hair a little bit. I fixed the lines that were going on in the back, but obviously I can't like fill in any like bald spots, and like it doesn't look like it now. See, this is how I like my hair cut, like just to here. But that's just like my hair from here that goes in the front. There's like a huge bald spot cut out here, and I just need to wait a couple of weeks for it to grow out, and then I'm gonna go to my old barber that would cut my hair when I was in hair school, and then when I get out of hair school I would go to his barber shop, and it's just far. That's why I tried finding a different barber, because the barber that I absolutely adore, that would literally just kill it every single time, it's like 35-40 minutes away. So just like a slight inconvenience to like drive that far to go get a haircut. But if it means that I'm gonna have a good haircut and not cry when I get home, and like when I look at it, like it's necessary, this is gonna be me until my hair grows back. My hair grows really fast though. That's like the positive part. But yeah, the sides, ugh. Like it really just needs a little bit to grow back in, and then it'll look fine. But fine, I say that loosely, by the way. It's like after 8 p.m. now, and I think I'm just gonna like get in bed, go to sleep soon, because I'm tired. I'm like super tired. But you know what's gonna make my stomach hurt that I want? I'm gonna show you guys because it's delicious. Some cookie dough bites. I need to start editing a video tomorrow for Tuesday, because my goal is to upload every Tuesday and Thursday. So look forward to that, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.